Good morning.
Good morning from England.
From England. Still in England. Today is day
4.
3. Yeah?
3.
Today is day Today is day 3. We're in England. The plan was to go to London yesterday.
Yes, but with sub-zero temperatures and snow on the ground.
We've decided that we're not going to go to London. The thing about London, we like central London.
Yes.
And every time we go to London, despite where we stay in London, we mainly stay in central London.
Yes.
The last time we stayed in Heathrow.
Yes.
But we still make our way down to central London, and that's where we usually spend most of our day.
Yeah.
And if any of you guys know London, it requires a lot of walking around.
Definitely.
You know, it requires from one landmark to the next, it's a whole lot of walking. And in sub-zero temperature, it's definitely not ideal.
No.
You know,
we are inevitable that we would have a cold or something.
I catch a cold very easy in just normal weathers, you know, so in sub-zero temperature, it would even be worse for me.
Even though we'll be wrapped up in things, but still, those things cold and flu have a way of getting there
into your system.
You know, people sneezing by you. You can't control other people sneezing or coughing in your face.
Exactly. So we've decided no central London this time.
If the weather clears up, then
before we go home.
Before we go, maybe.
Yeah, you know.
But at the moment, no, it doesn't look like it's happening because it's snowing as we speak.
And how have we been spending our last couple of days?
Chilling and relaxing.
Last couple of days I've been spending lazy.
Yeah, eating good food.
I don't know about good food, you know.
No, I mean, it's been prepared.
Yeah, Zena has prepared food. She's been extending her hospitality, and it's on point.
Yeah,
you know.
But
so Z, I know you're watching.
Yeah.
So thanks for the hospitality.
Yeah.
Food was on point.
Definitely.
The stew was on point. And last night we had
I don't know what would you call it, not British breakfast because there was fries in it, but it was
dinner though.
Yeah, it was dinner.
Yeah, we had fries and sausage
and bacon
and stuff eggs, like that. Yeah. And Z took pride in her sausage because she said she got them from the butchers. They came from the butchers.
Not from Morrison's or Asda or anywhere like that. If you live in England, then you know that supermarket sausages probably only have about 30% actual meat in it. Right,
so Z went and got us 100%
from the butcher.
And other than that, we've been spending a lot of time watching films.
Yeah.
You know, there's this new series on Netflix we started watching last night called 7 Seconds with Regina King. So far,
thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Be watching it again.
Yeah, we're watching El Chapo as well. At first, I didn't like El Chapo, the first series, because I could tell that the voice were dubbed over.
Yeah.
But then I kind of got into it, and it was okay.
You bypassed the whole lip syncing and non-lip syncing.
So we've decided to. Even though it's nothing really going on, because this is going to be a collaboration type of vlog.
Yes.
It's going to be day 1 and today and whatever else we do in between. Right. Z will be home one of these days before we go home. She'll be home all day, and then we'll try to incorporate a proper vlog.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we'll just be, showing you. If we go to the store outside, we should vlog it, so you can have a outside look. But other than that,
and we might go into the local town maybe.
We vlogged. We did do a little vlogging last time we were here. So if we go into the local town, we will do a more extensive vlog so you guys can see what this other area looks like.
Still have to go home with a few little British knickknacks that we.
Yeah, but it's snowing at the moment, and we're inside. It's kind of warm and toasty, so
it's hard to venture out. So, but it's nice and warm inside. So.
Yeah, So we are outside at night.
Just want a quick late shopping.
Yeah. Follow Z, who is over there to the store, which is behind us. There she is. It's colder than a Eskimo's
Seriously, you know something's wrong.
nose.
You know something's wrong when England's way colder than Switzerland's supposed to be.
Yes, England is much colder than Switzerland. So, we got what we wanted from the store. And me and Mini-Me. We are...
Me too.
Me and Mini-Me and a stranger in the back. We're gonna head out. These streets are a little dark.
Yeah.
So...
Sorry if you can't see us that well, but hopefully there'll be some better light in a minute.
yeah, we are at a pub. Well, outside of the pub. The pub is called the Hazel Tree Pub. And Z seems like she's in a rush to get home because it's cold. Home, nice and toasty. It was a good walk, you know. And Z's about to make
a chicken tikka masala with basmati rice and garlic and coriander naan bread.
Okay, sounds foreign, doesn't sound British, but
It's Indian.
it's Indian. Okay, so if we can, we will film some of the meal.
I took my shoes off already. Do you want to do me a favour? Put this bin bag in the black bin and wheel it out to the front of the car park ready for the bin men in the morning because they come really early. Will you do that for me?
Yeah,
Black bin.
yeah. Alright, I'm going upstairs. Wife for Life is upstairs. We were about to watch was it Jumanji?
Jumanji.
Yeah.
You can't say that 'cause it's not out.
Well, we got links.
Hey, I stayed in the warm.
So,
I stayed in the warm doing the usual, you know, shopping online.
yes. And we went out and freeze our fingers
Fought the
off.
cold for me.
It was really cold out there. Yes.
Okay.
But now that we're in nice and warm, lose this coat, take my long johns off,
Yep.
and come and cuddle up next to you.
Get cozy.
Yes. So, this has been the status of our stay here in the UK thus far. Tomorrow or the day after, we'll go out to the local town.
Yeah. I hear Switzerland is -9 or -10.
What's that in
That's about 14
14
degrees
Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
It is cold. It's cold here too.
So-
When we landed there, it was
Yeah.
really cold. Colder
But
than
not as cold as -10 centigrade.
yes.
So, yeah, well, it's warmer here in England.
Yeah.
Sounds
Fingers
weird.
are cold. All right. So
Yeah, do your thing. See you later.
see you later.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Hello, people. This is our situation today.
Hello. At the beginning of spring, or March, I should say.
Okay, close the door. We're still in the UK. I believe today's day 4. And it is snowing. So because we haven't been doing a lot of sightseeing, we thought,
Snow is in my shoes.
oh, let me film your shoes.
This is what I came prepared.
Oh,
Well, I was prepared for snow, so I'm not prepared.
That's what happened.
That's all I have. It's either these or heeled boots.
And I would say we've got about 4 or 5 inches of snow. And we decided to come out and have a look. Hopefully Z should be on her way. So maybe we see her coming in. Otherwise, we're going back in. Because it's not just snow, it's cold.
Very cold.
So, whoa. Need sunglasses out here. It's seriously bright.
This time we don't have a car, which I'm so glad for because
Hate
I
driving in
hate
the snow.
driving in the snow. I've had accidents in the snow. Yeah, I've had a couple of accidents in the snow, so it's given me a phobia of the snow driving.
The snow. I've had my slippage and sliding in the snow. You know, it's enough to discourage you from driving.
Definitely.
In the snow. Let's show this backdrop. We're not really going anywhere, but this is the neighborhood.
Yeah. Where we're staying in England.
We were hoping that we would see Z in those few minutes that we ventured outside, but no sign of her at the moment.
For those of you who watched other vlogs coming to England, this is not our neighbourhood. Our neighbourhood is Birmingham, but our friend Zena lives here in Corby, so we're staying with her.
Decided to stop by Z, and it's okay. It's our first time. This is our first time stopping by her.
Second time.
Second time. Yeah. It's all right. We don't know a lot about this neighborhood,
No.
but
Every neighbourhood is the same in England.
seen
so.
one neighborhood, seen them all.
Yeah.
So, is that her coming?
I don't know. Kids.
Yeah, I think that's her. So we're gonna kill a few more minutes out here,
Until she walks up.
freeze our hands off until she comes. Let me put her in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe she won't recognize that it's us. Yes. So, not a lot going on in the UK.
No.
You know, obviously because of the snow, we couldn't make it to London.
No, and it just keeps on snowing.
You know,
It stops and then it starts. So
decided to do London in the
next time
in the April,
spring,
in
yeah,
the April,
In the April.
in the spring.
or the beginning of summer.
Yes, you know, we're supposed to do Geneva as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's on the cards.
So, welcome this morning. Didn't do a lot, you know, as much as I wanted to use the time as a breakaway,
Yeah.
I couldn't help myself then to write. So, I spent most of today writing a blog,
Yeah.
you know, which I enjoy writing,
Yeah.
you know,
Very
so.
good blog indeed.
So I was
Very informative.
trying to avoid writing or doing anything that I would normally do while I'm here. There she is. We came out to meet her. She is freezing. She almost looked
It's so cold.
Yeah? Look at your face. Yeah. There she is.
It's so cold.
We came out hoping that we would see you. Gotta go back in because this feels more like Eskimo land.
Yeah, I'm sure Zurich is sunny and bright.
Took me an hour to get to work this morning.
Let's hope so. Yeah.
10-minute bus ride took an hour.
Oh yeah, I know those ones. Anyway, we decided to come out and see what it's like. You know, when the snow is settled, what would you say, 4 or 5 inches?
Yeah.
So,
Supposed to get worse on Friday and Saturday.
well, let's hope not. I need a clear runway to get back home.
I could could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our hearts implode. Your love explodes. Our hearts So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our hearts implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts
So,
Back inside in the warm.
back inside in the warm, in Z's kitchen. She's got a gift there for us. And I've decided to vlog it, add it in the vlog. So, unleash it.
Okay, it's a gift to let you know how Gargi much means to me and our friendship. So, and it all lights up.
Cool. Wow.
So, there's it's pictures of us in a frame
Yeah.
on a clothesline. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It lights up.
so the one to what's that? This one here is our
This one.
yeah. That's me and Z. Snapchat me. And this one, Wife for Life and Z. Yeah. And the one below is when we went clubbing in Birmingham once.
Yeah, how many years ago?
God.
Yeah,
About
yeah.
3 years ago.
About 3 years ago. So,
nice.
very nice. Something to add to our apartment. You know,
I can't reach that.
what's that?
Tea bags.
There you go. Long arms.
Yes.
I like it. Yeah, it's nice. Plus, she's given us 2 cups,
Mr. and Mrs.
Mr. and Mrs. cups and Mr. and Mrs. pillowcase.
Yes, you've been spoiled.
Yeah, so we got those upstairs
Yeah.
in the guest room, and we'll show those when we get them.
Definitely.
Yeah. So, as you can see, the only thing happening here in the UK is cold, cold, cold.
And snow, snow, snow.
Snow.
Can't see.
So what we're gonna do? Z's making tea. Have a cup of tea, sit in front of the TV, Netflix it and chill. Until the next segment.
Ciao for now.
Bye.
Ciao for now.